Study skills development courses with UK Versity. Certificate in public speaking. This course is suitable for professionals in careers like marketing and promotions specialists, marketing managers, sales and promotions specialists, and top executives. The Certificate in Public Speaking is self-study course which is delivered online and is suitable for people working in marketing, promotion specialists, public relations and executives. It is an important way of communication that focuses on an individual's direct speech to a certain audience in a structured and well-organized manner to be able to influence or entertain them. There are detailed sections covering public speaking, listening, vocalization, persuasion, holding audiences' attention, use of soft skills and challenges in contemporary public speaking amongst the learning content. The course will help you overcome difficulties in communicating and connecting with your audiences. No exams. Assessment is via multiple choice and short answer questions. The certification is via CPD qualifications and no previous experience is required to study this course. The course fees is £450 and all course logins are available for 12 months period. Although most learners complete this course in 4 weeks. Get in touch with us here at UK Versity. Call us on 0161 273 4745 to get started today.